If you're looking for an AI coding assistant to speed up your workflow, but you're stuck choosing between Augment and GitHub Copilot, this video is exactly what you need. These two tools sound similar on the surface, but they're built for totally different styles of development, and choosing the wrong one could actually slow you down. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. It's been the go to for developers who want instant code suggestions as they type. It's fast, familiar, and works inside popular IDEs like VS Code. Copilot shines when you're building solo. It predicts line of code, autocompletes functions, and even generates simple unit tests. But its help ends where strategic decisions begin. Augment, on the other hand, is built with collaboration and planning in mind. It doesn't just generate code, it understands why you're building something. Augment integrates context from your tickets, architecture, and team goals, offering suggestions that are aligned with your project's overall direction. It's more than just a typing assistant, it's like having a senior engineer review your thought process. So, if you want fast and reactive, Copilot is great. But if you want project aware, team smart support, Augment might be just a better long term fit. This has been How to Literally, breaking down tools so you don't have to.